Ever wondered how technology is making our workplaces safer than ever before? It's not just about hard hats and safety signs anymore. We're stepping into the future, and that future is powered by artificial intelligence. In factories and warehouses across the USA, a quiet revolution is happening, and it's all about preventing accidents before they even have a chance to occur. Imagine a factory floor where a smart camera system is always watching, not to spy on workers, but to protect them. This isn't science fiction, it's AI in action. These systems can detect if someone isn't wearing their safety gear, like a helmet or gloves, and send an instant alert. They can spot a worker getting too close to dangerous machinery and trigger a warning. It's like having a super vigilant safety officer on duty 24/7, one that never gets tired and never blinks. Let's look at a real-world example. In a busy warehouse, forklifts and workers are constantly moving. The potential for collisions is high. But with AI-powered sensors, a forklift can be automatically slowed down or stopped if a person unexpectedly walks into its path. The system analyzes video feeds in real time, understands the environment, and predicts potential dangers. It's a proactive approach, moving from simply reacting to accidents to actively preventing them. This is a game changer for industries where every second counts and safety is paramount. And it goes beyond just spotting immediate dangers. AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that humans might miss. For instance, it can pinpoint areas in a workplace where near misses happen most frequently, even if no one reported them. By highlighting these hidden risk zones, companies can redesign layouts, improve training programs, or update safety protocols. It's about creating a smarter, more responsive safety culture from the ground up. These AI systems are also helping to reduce physical strain on workers. AI-powered exoskeletons can assist with heavy lifting, reducing the risk of back injuries. Smart robots can take over repetitive or hazardous tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex, skilled jobs. This collaboration between humans and machines is not about replacing people, but empowering them to work more safely and efficiently. The impact is incredible. Companies using these technologies are seeing significant reductions in workplace injuries and accidents. This means fewer people getting hurt, lower insurance costs, and improved overall productivity. It's a win-win situation. The future of work isn't just about being more productive, it's about being safer. AI is becoming an essential tool in our quest to ensure that every worker goes home safe at the end of the day. What do you think about AI in the workplace? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the technology shaping our world. See you next time.